So guys, this is going to be my last video of this year, 2024, and I thought make it a bit of a fun video really, but it could be quite serious. So I just want to first say thank you very much everybody that's joined my channel quite recently, and all the other people that have joined my channel over the years, your top people. So in this video, I've been trying this for years really, and what it is getting two drones up in the air and they're following each other, or one's following the other, if you get what I mean. And I've never been very successful over that. And I think it was when I first started doing this, obviously the tracking was pretty pants, and now I think we might have got there. So that's what this video is about. Okay, so the plan is, I've got the Phantom 4. Do you remember the Phantom 4? Used to get like a beer cooler to keep a beer cool in. Amazing drone. So I'm going to be using my Phantom 4 and my Air 3. Now the idea of this is I'll get the Phantom 4 up first. We then get the Air 3 up. I'm going to use the Air 3 as the tracker, or the focus track drone. I'm going to use the zoom on that, to zoom in on that, make it bigger. Hopefully the plan is it'll recognise that as a flying car. That's the plan. But anyway, let's get things going. So with the Phantom 4, it's the DJI Go 4 app. So I'm just putting that on there. Turn on the power. Check out my videos that I've done on the Phantom 4. Guys, it's an amazing drone. It's all looking good. Aircraft warming up. Now, this is another thing about the Phantoms. You have to give it time for them to warm up. Now, hopefully, my Air 3...
Approached edge of altitude zone.
Okay, so, looks like my Air 3 is ready. I've got 97% battery. The other problem I've got as well, guys, with the Phantom 4, I've only got one battery. So I am...
Home point updated.
I am limited. Anyway, Phantom 4's ready.
Home point updated.
Okay, I'm just going to send the drone up and then send it back. Okay, I'll do over there, out the way in a moment. I can just drop that gimbal down so you can see me on the screen. Okay, we're all ready. Take off. Ooh, look at that, eh? Right, so I'm just going to keep that there a moment, because what I want to do is bring it in there. Where's that? There it is. Oh, I'm just lining it up there. Now I'm just going to draw. Okay. So, let's put on the video. I'll take it. No. Okay. So let's bring that drone back in. I'm going to put on the zoom now on my... Okay. Draw a box around that. Let's see if we can... No. Let's put on active track, unable to switch subjects, function supports the following subjects. Okay, so we're just gonna, I mean, you can see there, if I bring that drone in, okay, I'm just going to click off that subject lost reselect subject. Okay, so if I move it to, no, I thought this was going to work myself personally. Let's do point of interest. Okay. Oh. No. No. Stop that. No, not me. See, it's got me, but it hasn't got. Right. I'll tell you what. We'll just knock off the active track a minute. It does follow it, but as soon as you move it. See what I'm doing? 6 times. Is me moving the screen to it. We'll just see if I can do it again. Point of interest. Let's just see if it'll go around it. No. Okay. The summary. Well, it nearly did it, didn't it? You could see a couple of times, once I got the active track on there, it sort of locked onto it. But as soon as I moved it, it just lost the subject. Now, I was hoping by enlarging it, it would have done it. But I suppose it does. This AI stuff, I don't know. But it does recognise people in cars. Obviously, this is not a car. I was hoping it recognised it as a car, but it didn't. So, really, it was a bit of a pointless video. But I don't think so. It's a bit of fun. I was hoping, you know, now we got these more smarter drones now, and especially that, you know, the focus track. It's really good. I mean, it does work, but not on my Phantom. How big does it have to be? Anyway, bit of fun, guys. As always appreciate everybody popping in, giving me comments and things like that. I want to wish everybody a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I think DJI are bringing out some amazing drones for 2025. I can't wait. So, as always, there's going to be another video very soon.